Cheers from the crowd as survivors continue to be pulled from the rubble this morning. Nepal's death toll rising into the thousands as millions suffer through the country's strongest earthquake in more than 80 years. The country now on the verge of a humanitarian crisis. We're nearly 2 days now after the earthquake, and you can still get an idea of just how busy things are. We're at the busiest hospital in this particular area. Emergency vehicles keep coming in. Patients either being rescued, finally found, finally making their way through the traffic and the chaos to get to the hospital. And these patients are the lucky ones. Damage and aftershocks hindering foreign aid as hospitals are overrun with severe injuries and a lack of resources. This is Selena. She's 8 years old. She just got here by ambulance. This is pretty typical what we're seeing here. She was outside getting some water when the earthquake occurred. The house that she was living in, it sounds like literally fell over. She got compound fractures of her skull. Watch the earth shake violently in these surveillance videos in Kathmandu on Saturday. Whoa! The magnitude 7.8 earthquake and its aftershocks causing massive avalanches on Mount Everest. Watch as climbers of the world's tallest mountain become engulfed in the monstrous cloud of falling snow.
Are you okay? Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah.
Helicopters rushing to evacuate the severely injured
This is an earthquake.
as survivors begin to contact their loved ones.
It's just good to see that she's alive after something so big.
Many more were not so lucky. The wife of a California documentary filmmaker on assignment to Mount Everest received the heartbreaking news via satellite phone.
He was on the mountain with his climbers to tell me that Tom was dead. I guess he was blown away by the blast rather than being buried in any rubble.
Historical buildings, iconic symbols of Nepal demolished. The 9-story high Darahara Tower, a landmark tourist attraction, completely destroyed. At least 50 bodies pulled from its ruins.